How to get your TIN number. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to get your TIN number, tax identification number, in 5 minutes, free of charge online. So you don't need to pay anybody for you to get your TIN number. And if you are a content creator, this is one of the documents you need to get ready before you can apply for content monetization. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step by step on how to get your tax identification numbers. So do well to watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any of these steps on this video. And if you are coming across my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notifications. So let's dive straight into the video. So you go to your Google Chrome, then type taxid.nrs.gov.ng. It will bring you to this interface. Then you're going to select this first one. Then I want to select individual depending on whether it's individual or corporate. What I want to do for individual, so I will select individual. Then you select tax ID retrieval method, national identity number. So I want to use national identity number, so I will select that one. Then you enter your NIN number here. Then once you are done, you can also use the USD code to also do that. So if you want to use the USD, you have to use *346#. You have to use the phone number that you used to register your NIN to generate your TIN number. So after you have entered your NIN number, then you scroll down, then click on retrieve tax ID. It's going to bring you to this section. Then you're going to enter your name, date of birth to continue. So you enter your first name, then you enter your last name. If you have 3 names, you have to use the 3 name. Then you click on agree, then verify you are human, so you click on this section, then you click on submit. So you also done for some minutes for it to generate your TIN. So I've been able to generate my TIN. So this is how to generate your TIN. So this is how you can apply and get your tax identification number online. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video, share this video. And if you are coming across my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notifications. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.